Hi, I'm Dr. Regine, an adult cardiologist in the Philippines, and this is CardioNotes MD, where I share simple, practical ways to protect your heart. Alam niyo ba, ang number one cause of death in the Philippines is ischemic heart disease or mas kilala natin bilang heart attack. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, kabilang sa top 10 causes of death sa ating bansa ay heart attack, stroke, hypertension or high blood pressure at iba pang heart-related diseases. Napansin niyo ba? Marami sa leading causes of death ng ating bansa ay lifestyle-related at connected sa heart health. At ito ang importante nating tandaan. Marami dito ay pwede nating iwasan. So, ano ba ang nagpapataas ng risk? May tinatawag tayong non-modifiable risk factors. Ito yung mga bagay na di natin mababago, gaya ng edad, family history, genetics, and biological sex. Pero, meron ding modifiable risk factors. Ito yung pwede natin ma-improve. Kasama dito yung smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. Kasama din dito yung obesity, kawalan ng exercise, unhealthy diet, stress, excess sa alcohol, and kulang sa tulog. Ang good news, prevention works. Hindi kailangan perfect agad. Minsan, small, consistent changes lang. Mas healthy na pagkain, konting lakad araw-araw, mas maayos na tulog, at regular check-up. Malaking bagay na ito para sa puso mo. So, follow along to learn practical and cost-effective ways to minimize and prevent these diseases. As always, this is not medical advice, just practical steps towards prevention. For specific medical concerns, consult your doctor or your cardiologist. Follow CardioNotes MD for more heart health education for Filipinos. Sources in the caption. See you next time.